Hello, I'm Josephine Banyard. I'm a veterinary dental specialist in Chilliwack, British Columbia, and we're going to talk about your objectives when you're brushing your pet's teeth. So you're going to start off when your pet is young, okay? Start handling the muzzle, get your fingers in the teeth, in the mouth and touching the teeth and the gums. At this point, the pet is not in pain. Be careful, because in puppies and kittens they are teething, so you do have to be careful around time of teething because they will be sensitive. Make it fun. Have a look at the VOHC website online, and that stands for the Veterinary Oral Health Council, and look for the types of toothbrushes and toothpastes that would be a good choice for your pet. The VOHC has standards that products have to meet in order to make claims to prevent plaque and tartar. So what you're going to do is you're going to put something on the toothbrush that is very delicious. Like I would put maybe tuna juice or peanut butter. That's a favorite, as long as they're not allergic to it. Toothpaste is great. It's very clean and tidy. Anything that your pet might like, even soft dog food is fine, or cat food. Just something that is not going to upset their tummy too. So just remember that. It's not like in humans. With humans, you brush your teeth, and you do it in front of the mirror, and it's not messy. With dogs and cats, it's messy. So don't worry about that. There's nothing you're doing wrong there. You just need to get in there and just do it. So remember, the teeth that you miss one day, you're going to get the other, and you have to do it every day. If you do it less than every day, it's not going to work that great, okay? So the last thing I would say is just a word of caution. With your dogs or your cats, some animals are just not going to allow you to do it. Don't get hurt. Some animals are scared. Some animals feel like you're being aggressive to them or you're being dominant to them, and they won't have anything to do with that. So in those situations, I would not want you to get hurt. Thank you. Okay, so here is a model that I'm going to use to show you how to brush teeth. We do have a video on brushing Trooper's teeth. Now, Trooper is a chocolate lab, but Trooper is very busy and he doesn't stay still. My model will stay still for you. Okay, so these are the brushes that I like, my toothbrushes. They're made by CET, and the design I think is really good. The bristles are soft, and you've got a big-headed end and a small-headed end. And I find that people with dogs that are big and small like both of them. This is a kitty toothbrush, and I think all dogs, big and small, should have one of these, because this will get at places that this will not be able to get at. Okay? Now, to go over it again, you're going to be putting toothpaste on here or a treat. So cat food, dog food, Cheese Whiz, peanut butter, not human toothpaste, okay? Human toothpaste has fluoride in it. Your dog and your cat are going to swallow this toothpaste. You do not want them swallowing fluoride because it's poisonous, okay? So don't use human toothpaste. So to begin, I'm going to show you, you can start off brushing the front, okay? Try and develop a routine, and you're going to be doing this daily, right? So you're going to be brushing the incisors and the canines. You're going to also brush the inside, all right? That's really important. You want to brush the inside. You're going to be aiming for a 45-degree angle. This toothbrush is also very nice for getting at the back, over the molars, the last molar. Sometimes you have very little space there. This is particularly good in small animals. And also the lower incisors and canines, and you certainly want to get on the inside. Don't forget that. This is a very favorite area for periodontal disease, is right here, and also in that area on the top jaw. And then for the sides of the mouth, the premolars and the canines, you're going to be using the flatter heads Some people really like this size for their little dog's teeth. It covers a very large surface area, and it's particularly nice for these back molars. See how nicely it covers those surfaces? Don't scrub hard, that'll be painful. Avoid brushing when you've got redness of the gums, because that's going to be really painful. You just need a soft, gentle motion. I like to go a little bit back and forth. Just jiggle it back and forth. Your toothbrush can only get 2 millimeters below the gum line. Okay, so you do need clean teeth when you're going to do this. You need to start off with the teeth are clean. And then for the lower jaw, again, you're going across at a 45-degree angle on the long stretches, and you can cross over the tongue to get the inside of those premolars and molars. One trick that some people will use that's quite effective is they'll put their finger behind the canine teeth, and then they'll be able to reach into the mouth and get the inside teeth. So that's it. That's how you can brush your pet's teeth and have fun.